Science is classified into three types: energy, matter, and living beings. It means in the science we study energy, matter, and living beings. Energy concerned with the physics. Physics deals with the study of energy, interconversion of energy, and physical properties of the matter. Chemistry deals with the study of matter, interconversion of matter, that is, chemical change, property of the matter, and structure of the matter. Under the biology, we study the living beings as plant and animals. Matter is classified on two bases: physical classification and chemical classification. Under physical classification, matter is of 5 types: solid, liquid, gas, plasma state, and Bose-Einstein condensate (BEC). Solid is that substance which has fixed shape and volume. The interparticles of the solid are closely packed. The constituent particles of the solid may be atoms, molecules, or ions. Due to compactness of constituent particles in the solid is incompressible, rigid, and has high melting and boiling point. Liquid has fixed volume but no fixed shape. The liquid consists of molecules. Molecules have motion, that is, the liquid contains fluidity property in them. Their intermolecular space is very closed and their melting boiling points are lower than solids but greater than the gases. Gas has no fixed volume, fixed shape. They assume the volume and shape of the container in which they are kept. The intermolecular distances in the gases are longer. Gas molecules have random motion in all possible directions, and gas molecules exert pressure on the wall of the container. Gas have lower melting and boiling points, and gas have very low density. Now come on plasma state. Plasma state comes when the gas is superheated so that gas becomes super activated and super energetic, and they lose their outermost electron and change into ions. Under such condition, they begin to glow due to the presence of plasma state of the matter. Sun and a star glow because they have plasma in them and they have high temperature in them. Now come on Bose-Einstein condensate, that is BEC in the short form. When any gas is supercooled and their density is lower 1 by 100 or 1 by 1000 of the air, the state so obtained is known as Bose-Einstein condensate. Now, classification of matter on the basis of chemical classification. That is, matter is of two types on the chemical basis: pure substance and impure substance. Impure substance is also called mixture. It is of two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. In the homogeneous mixture, the particles of the components are not seen by our naked eye or simple microscopes, and components are uniform in the mixture. As the solution of sugar in water, the solution of salt in water, they form homogeneous mixture. Their particles are not seen by your naked eye, and they have no distinct phase in them. Now, heterogeneous mixture, in this, the components are not uniform throughout in the mixture, and their phases are distinct. They can be seen by your naked eye or simple microscope. The examples are emulsions, colloidal particles, or colloidal solution, the mixture of scraps of iron and sulfur. These are the heterogeneous mixture, or the solution of water and sand. Pure substance has been classified into two types, element and compound. Element is the pure substance. It consists of same type of atoms having same atomic number and cannot be divided into other element by any mechanical process. But radioactive elements may be natural or may be artificial. They change into another elements by emitting alpha, beta, and gamma rays. Element is of three types: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Metals are solids except mercury. They have 1 to 4 valency electrons in their outermost shell. They are mostly good conductors of heat and electricity, but lead is bad conductor of electricity. Their oxides and hydroxides are basic in nature, and some oxides are amphoteric as zinc oxide and aluminum oxide. Non-metals are maybe solid, liquid, or gas. They have more than 4 electrons in the outermost shell. They are bad conductor of electricity except graphite. Their oxides are acidic or neutral, and they have high electron affinity, electronegativity, and ionization potential. Metalloids. Metalloids have the property metals and non-metals both. Boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, and polonium. These are metalloids. They have both property of metals and non-metals. Compound. Such substances which consists of 2 or more than 2 elements in fixed ratio and they form by chemical combination are known as compounds. Compounds may be H2O, NaCl, H2SO4, etc. It is of two types, inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Such compounds which consists of carbon and hydrogen, that is hydrocarbon, and hydrocarbon derivatives are known as organic compounds as methane CH4, ethane C2H6, ethanol C2H5OH, benzene C6H6, benzoic acid C6H5COOH. These are the organic compounds. In the formation of organic compounds, the main elements are carbon and hydrogen, and in carbon and hydrogen are known as carbon and hydrogen making compound are known as hydrocarbon, but hydrogen, oxygen, halogens, if are present in the
Science
organic compound, the place of hydrogen,
three types:
these are known as
energy,
matter,
hydrocarbon,
and living things.
It means
Inorganic compounds.
in the science,
Except organic
we study
compounds,
energy,
all compounds are
matter,
known as
living
organic
things.
compounds. As
Energy
H2O,
concerned with the physics. Physics
Na2O,
deals with the study of energy,
NaOH,
interconversion of energy,
and